Hello everyone. Hope you're all enjoying your spring break. I just wanted to send an update to let you know some of the details about posting in EM-Tech MOOC. There have been just a few inaccurate requests for badges, so I want to make sure that everyone is on the page to understand what needs to be done to earn your badge. So it's not a difficult process. All you need to do is find a technology using the filters on the Discover page of EM-Tech Wiki to first identify a goal or an objective that you are trying to achieve. You click on the Communication and Collaboration tab, and then you can pick your objective, and if you'd like, you can also narrow down to a specific category. Then explore, and as in one of the videos in Module 1 says, it's always good to play. So play around with some of the tools that you think will help you achieve some of the things you're trying to do, either relating to your personal life or your coursework or your professional or work life. And once you do that, hopefully you have an opportunity to do a hands-on activity, actually create an account with the tool that you explore, and either create a podcast or a video or a blog or an infographic or an innovative collage of photos that share a message. And once you do that, then you would go and add a short reflection to an e-portfolio. You can either start a brand new portfolio, a simple one-page document, whether it's using something like Google Sites or Digication is the preferred e-portfolio platform at UB. And you can go there by just typing in buffalo.digication.com. Create your portfolio and then add a 2 to 3 paragraph reflection. What did you learn through this process? Did you discover any aspects of the tool that will be beneficial for your life? Did you discover anything that is a challenge or something that really made you think? Is there, how will this tool or how will this resource impact you in your current life or in your future career? Once you create that short reflection, you'll then be able to embed the artifact that you created or the artifact that you explored onto your portfolio page. Embed is just a fancy word for build it into the page. So if you embed a picture, the picture shows right on your blog page. If you embed a blog, you can have that blog show within your portfolio. Videos are great to encompass in a portfolio page. Infographics. If not all tools have an embed code that is easily adaptable to Digication, but you can always take a screen grab of what you created. A screen grab on Windows, you use the snip tool, and on a Mac there's a function for screen capture. Command-Shift-4 will let you capture a portion of your screen, and then you can upload that video or that image into your page. And you can also, if you'd like, link that image to the infographic you created or the video that you were having a hard time embedding. So that adds visual interest to your page. Once you do that, you can go back and post a short note in the discussion forums in Module 2 in the MOOC and just state, I explored using Blogger in my reflection, and you can view that page here. Really important, make a link in your discussion forum post, make that link clickable. To do that, highlight the text, and then at the bottom there's the icon to create a link. Click on that. Paste in the link to your portfolio page. This is important. This is what many people are doing. Paste in a link to your portfolio page that displays your reflection and displays the artifact that you created or explored. Once you hit OK, it'll ask you for a description of that link. You can skip this step because if you're highlighting text, that text will be the description. And then hit OK one more time. Now, a critical point is to make sure that your portfolio is public and that it's published. This is the biggest problem that many people run up against. In Buffalo's Digication, by default, your e-portfolios are private. And so many people have submitted badge requests with a private portfolio, which means I can't see it, nobody can see it. You do need to have a public page for this project. So to make your page in your portfolio public, just go into the settings to the permission area and change it to public. Hit OK. Also, another problem that many people face, even though this little icon or message at the top of the screen says your changes are regularly saved, your changes are not published until you take the step to publish them. You can hit this button, but it's always best, I have found, to go again to the settings menu and choose publish and publish all pages. There have been so many times when I'm making changes to this page and that page and this page, and finite little changes do not get published. If I make a habit of using this publish all pages option, all my changes will always be visible as soon as I do this. So when you claim your badge, go in and paste in the link to your portfolio page that shows your reflection, that has your artifact embedded, and then also paste in a link to the artifact you created. That could be, like I said, a video, a blog, an infographic, an animation. The ideas are endless. And also select the category that that loosely falls into. We're just trying to keep track of what's most interesting. And when you do that, hit OK. It will take us a maximum of 2 weeks to get all badges delivered. We will make sure to be up to date, especially on the due date, which is March 27th, coming up quickly. And all badges will be issued very close to that date. All badges that are requested will be issued on the 27th, if not before, or a day or two after. So if you have questions, please feel free to write us at emtechmooc@gmail.com. If you have questions about creating a portfolio, the UB Digication team is available in 24 Capon. They may have reduced hours during the break. You can also find information about contacting Coursera. They have 24-hour help. Just go to the Learner Help menu, and if you create an account to access the help, you will always have the instant chat in the bottom right corner. I found that the best way to get a real fast response. So I hope this helps. Please feel free to write to us, emtechmooc@gmail.com. But best path is to talk in the discussions and get input from all of your colleagues and from the colleagues across the world and the other students, faculty, and staff who are participating in the MOOC. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy this experience. You get out of it what you put into it. If you don't push yourself and challenge yourself, you won't get too much out of it. it'll just be busy work. So use this for your advantage. Thanks. Bye.